The whole idea behind passive income is that you make money even while not working.
I like working, but sometimes I just want to get paid to take a nap.
But all passive income streams require some initial input, be it an initial investment of money or work. This video is about creating passive income with money, so if you have $1,000 laying around or even $100, that's good news because I'm gonna give you some passive income investment ideas and tell you how much they would have made you based on their past returns. This is purely educational as I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. First up, the option generally considered the least risky out of the three options we are talking about today is a dividend exchange traded fund. An ETF is a fund you can invest in that purchases shares of mini stocks that typically pay regular high dividends. When dividends are paid out, the fund passes those dividends on to the investors of the fund. In terms of long-term investing, ETFs are generally seen as a pretty safe investment because they invest in many companies rather than just one. A good annual dividend yield, or the percentage the fund pays in dividends every year, is between 2 to 4%, but often funds perform under this bar, so we'll say 2% is the target. If you invest in a dividend ETF that averages a 2% dividend yield, your $1,000 investment will give you $20 of cash flow in that year. That may not seem like much, but keep in mind, this is while your initial investment of $1,000 is hopefully also increasing in value, and you can sell that investment at some point if you would like to. Thanks to technology platforms like Fundrise, you can take your hypothetical $500 $2 bills and invest them in real estate. When you put money into a Fundrise account, they take the money, put it in a fund, and that fund is used to invest in various real estate projects. You then make money through quarterly dividends that are paid out according to the profit the projects are producing. You can also sell your shares, which will hopefully result in a positive return, but Fundrise stresses that real estate should be seen as a 5 years or longer investment, and we are here for the residual income. So what can someone make from their $1,000 investment? Fundrise takes about 1% in fees according to their website, and they say that their average annual income return is 5.42%. So based on their past results, $1,000 would have generated on average $54.20 of cash flow for you every year. Typically, the riskier the investment, the higher the potential reward and loss, which is why our third and riskiest passive income investment option we are mentioning in this video might excite some of you and will probably be something many of you want to avoid depending on your risk tolerance, and that is cryptocurrency. There are many ways you can earn passive income with cryptocurrency, but because this isn't a cryptocurrency specific channel, we're gonna stick with the most common and basic method, and that is staking. With staking, you take some cryptocurrency you own and essentially lock it up for some specified time, and while it is locked up, you earn interest on that asset. There are countless currencies and platforms you can stake with, some claiming to pay in excess of 20% per year. But to give you what might be considered as a safer beginner example, you can purchase one of the largest cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, on the well-known crypto marketplace app Coinbase and stake that Ethereum to currently earn 3.87% interest on that per year. And keep in mind that is once again while the investment itself is hopefully gaining in value. So with a $1,000 investment, that would yield you $38.70 in a year, although that will be paid out in the cryptocurrency. And with the way their prices fluctuate, who knows what that amount would be worth in a year, which is why I recommend only investing in crypto with fund money, which is easy to do since there is no minimum. There's a link in the description if you want to sign up for Coinbase. So what do you think? When it comes to investing for passive income, do you like to play it safe with lower predictable returns or gamble with riskier, potentially higher returns? Let me know, and watch out for my upcoming video on how to make passive income with no money, but just some work upfront.